Oh. Well, I might say these are desperate times, to be honest, because, well, the locks are locked. This is the canal at Atherstone, the Atherstone locks. This is the Coventry Canal, I do believe, and yeah, it's all stopped because as the locks operate, they just keep moving water downstream, so to speak, and they can't do that because we haven't had any rain now for 7 or 8 weeks, and therefore it's all right to stop. So you can see from over here the canal is quite empty. This is between the two locks. This has just been left, and the lock is completely empty, I presume. And yeah, so desperate times. The grass is brown, locks are stopped, just waiting for some rain. It's almost like a tidal river. How bad is it this year with the water?
It's worse than last year, put it that way.
Yeah.
And of course, all the indications are it ain't going to get any better.
No.
No. For at least a good week or more.
We'll need quite a bit of rain to bring it back to level.
Exactly.
If nothing else.
You know, realistically, we can't really see that it'll recover before the end of the season, and the end of the season is the end of October.
Really?
Yeah.
It's a long time.
So, because just the reservoirs are all empty, and
sure.
It's a nightmare.
Anyway, your plants are looking nice.
Yeah, which is why I try to keep them going, despite everything.
Thanks a lot. Well, that was John, one of the volunteers here, telling how bad it is. It may not recover until October, but there's a lot of water needed. And when it does rain in Britain, it rains quite a lot. And it hasn't rained for such a long time. Those of you who are familiar with Atherstone and maybe live locally will know that there was a big hat factory here next to the canal. Unfortunately, recently, part of it was falling down. It wasn't even being demolished, and it fell into the road. And here you can see some old footage from a few years ago, and then an old photograph of it in operation look. But it was derelict for a very long time, and now it's been demolished completely. Anyway, that'll do for now. It's only a short video really. So yeah, thanks for watching, and you'll see me in the next one. Okay, bye bye.